Hello everyone, how are you? In the last class, we have studied up to the elf gave a wish to Patrick. On behalf of that, elf started to do Patrick's homework, but elf don't know about homework, and also he asking help to Patrick. Till that we have studied. Okay, we can continue the story. When it came to Max, Patrick was out of luck. Okay, when it came to Max, Patrick was out of luck because nothing know about the Max. The elf nothing know about the Max. What are timetables? The elf is asking. What are timetables? The elf strict. Okay, the elf strict. Strict means gave a short cry. Okay, gave a short or high pitched cry. Okay, he is crying in high pitch. The elves never need that. He's a he is telling that the elves never need that. And addition and subtraction and division and fractions. Okay, elves never want addition, subtraction and division and fraction. Here okay, and addition, subtraction and division and fraction. So he is asking what are that. He don't know about the addition, subtraction and division, all kind of things. Here sit down beside me, the elf is asking to Patrick. Here sit down beside me. You simply must guide me, else know nothing of human history. To them it's a mystery. Here our other is again using the rhythmic words like history, mystery. Okay, else know nothing of human history. He other says like else didn't know about the history of human. Also to them it's a mystery. The history of human is a mystery for the else. Mystery means something that is difficult or impossible to understand or explain. Something that is difficult or impossible to understand to explain. So the little elf already a shouter. He's already a shouter. Just got louder. He's getting loud again and again. Go to the library. I need books. The elf asking to Patrick, go to the library. I need books. More and more books. He want more and more books, and you can help me read them too. Else wanted to read the books by Patrick. As a matter of fact, every day in every way, the little elf was a nag. Okay, what do you mean by nag? Nag means one who troubles someone all the time. Okay, it is called nag. He is troubling our Patrick all the time. Patrick was working harder than ever. Okay, he is working harder than ever. Before that, he didn't do nothing, the like homework and all kind of things. But nowadays, these times, he is working harder than ever. And was it a drag? It is something. It is uninteresting. It is uninteresting to the Patrick. He was staying up nights, had never felt so weary. He is staying up night and he is feeling weary. Weary means he is feeling tired because he didn't get enough sleep. He is all time working again and again for to helping the else. Was going to school with his eyes puffed and blurry. When Patrick is going to school, he didn't get enough sleep, no. So his eyes are puffed means swelling around the eyes. Okay, if you won't get the sleep properly, or eyes get puffed, swelling around the eyes. And blurry means he is dull and tired. Okay, finally the last day of school arrived and the elf was free to go. Okay, finally the last day of school came and the elf was free to go. As for homework, there was no more. Okay, so homeworks are over. The elves are free. Elf was free, so he want to go. So he quietly and slyly slipped out the back door. So he quietly and slyly slipped out of the back door. Slyly means tandrapurvam. In Malayalam, tandrapurvam. Okay. He went back door. Went out back door through the back door. Okay. Patrick got A's. Okay, or Patrick got A's. His classmates were amazed. His teachers smiled and were full of praise. They are praising Patrick. Okay, because he got A's. Okay, and his parents, they wondered what happened to Patrick. His parents also wondered what happened to Patrick. He was now the model kid. Now he was a model kid. He cleaned his room, did his chores. Chores means work that must be done every day. Okay, often. Okay, work that must be done every day. That is called chores. Was cheerful and never rude. He didn't act like bad manner. Rude means bad mannered. Like he had developed a whole new attitude. He developed fully a new attitude. Never like before. You see in the end. These lines are others. Okay. You see in the end, Patrick still thought he had made that tiny man do all his homework. Okay. The other saying that. Okay. Other saying to us. Okay. Other saying to the listeners is, you see in the end, Patrick still thought he had made that tiny man do all the homework. So Patrick thought that tiny man do all the homework, but I will share a secret. The other is sharing a secret to us, just between you and me. Okay, just between you and me means other and us. It wasn't the elf. Patrick had done it himself. Patrick is done the homework. He's saying like that. Okay, here Patrick is done the homework because Patrick worked hard and he completed his homework. Okay, here is the end of the lesson. We can continue in the next class. Thank you.